Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to lock Microsoft Excel workbook with password. Like if I open this workbook, here you see the password window is opened. Here I have to put the right password to open the Excel workbook. Let me show you how we can set up the password by opening this another workbook where there is no any password yet. Click on the File tab, click on Info, click on Protect Workbook, then click on Encrypt with Password option. And here you have to set up the password. Let me put here 1234 for example, then click on OK. Here you have to re-enter the password. So put here 1234 again, then click on OK. Now you have to save this workbook. Click on the Save button. The password is set. Let me close this and reopen. And here you see the password box is given. You have to put the password that you have used, then click on OK. Then you will have the access to the workbook. Thank you very much for watching this video.